Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Health at Your Fingertips, which is called Mudra Healing. Today I'll be talking about space element. Space element is one of the 5 elements which our bodies formed of. And the colors connected to the space element, the energies, the mudras and the organs. Let's begin. So we have 72,000 energy channels in our body. They're called meridians. The acupuncture system, the Chinese traditional medicine, they work on these meridians to cure us. When our body falls sick, there's often a blockage in these 72,000 energy channels, which are called nadis in Sanskrit and meridians in English, and they get blocked. And these acupuncture, they poke the pressure points with the needles and release the blockages, and the optimum prana, the energy, life force energy starts flowing into our body, and that's how we get our health back. So we have 7 major energy centers in our body which runs along the spine, and they're called chakras in Sanskrit. And out of the 7 energy centers, I'll be talking only about the 5 energy centers which are corresponded to the mudra healing. And one of it is space element, which is at the throat center, which is called Vishuddhi Chakra. Vishuddhi Chakra means Shuddhi, the truth, the purity. The space element is actually the space which all of us are holding. We all hold a space. We generate our life outside from the space which is held inside. The earth is moving around in the space. So externally there is space, likewise our body is also held in a space. And that space externally is projected from our space from within. So that is the space which is connected to the throat center. And it's often a reflection of our life, a reflection of our truth. Whatever we see outside, we have attracted to our lives. So anything imbalanced with the space element is connected to the other 4 elements in the body, which are the air, fire, water and earth. So whatever imbalance in the other 4 elements is reflected into your space. So you have to be very careful when you alter the space element, do any mudra in the space element. You have to keep in mind the other 4 elements. What are the reasons behind the reflection of these problems in our space element? The organs which are connected to the space element are ENT organs, the ear, nose and throat. So any issues, any health issues you have in your ear, nose and throat is connected to the Vishuddhi Chakra. But as I said, it's a culmination of the other 4 energies, other 4 elements. If you have a sinus problem, sinus is often the nose blockages with the kapha, the phlegm. The phlegm is produced in the body with the excess of earth element in the body. Likewise, if you have any allergies, the nose is blocked. It is a result of the excess of air element in the body. It's actually a lack of earth element. And if you have any ear problem, ear imbalances, the giddiness, that is often a culmination of the water imbalance. And if you have any ulcers in the throat, if you have infection in the mouth, that is actually a result of the stomach indigestion, which is due to the fire element. So these are the other 4 elements which you have to bear in mind when you alter your space element. To alter the space element, there are 2 major mudras, which is called, one is called Akash Mudra, the other is called Shunya Mudra. When you touch the tip of the finger to the tip of the thumb, that element is increasing. And when you bring the same finger to the bottom, the Venus mount of the thumb, and cross your thumb over, that element gets reduced. So this is how we alter the space element. You can increase the space element or reduce the space element. This is called Shunya Mudra and this is called Akasha Mudra. You can Google it and find out what are the benefits of Akasha Mudra and Shunya Mudra and see the benefits and the caution which you have to take. So whenever you do these mudras, you have to bear in mind about the other 4 elements as well and try to rectify that also, not just the space. Suppose if you have sinusitis, you are supposed to hold this mudra. We are supposed to hold both the hands in the same mudra to get the results. We can hold it 5 minutes to 15 minutes in the beginning for you to learn it and be cautious and aware of the reactions the body is giving you, and then go forward if it is correct. Otherwise, just stop the mudra and rethink what you should do it. So with this mudra, what happens is that you're reducing the water, the earth, increasing the space and the air to the thumb. So the sinusitis, the blockages of the phlegm reduces where the air is increasing and the space is increasing, so that the circulation improves and you just blow out all your nose blocks. But a person who has allergies, you shouldn't do this, because the excess of these two, the air and the space, is the result of the allergies. So actually you should do the other way around. You should bring it down and do this for any allergies. So these are the examples I'm giving you just to understand how the space element works, and it's very deeply connected to the other 4 elements also. The color for the space element is blue, and you can visualize blue colors and it's a healing therapy to look at blue colors. There are mantras available for space element, but as I said, don't go into the blue color or the mantra unless you clear out the other 4 elements, because space is just a reflection. It's a pure reflection, and the speech, the voice, everything is connected to the Vishuddhi chakra. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe and share my link. Thank you.